Hello, my name is Alexey. In previous video tutorials we create responsive multi-language online store from scratch and upload it to the hosting. In my blog there are free video lessons about different objects for website X5. In this video tutorial we will see how to buy credits and how to buy objects for these credits. Also, we will work with objects for creating intent separators and see how to create a donation form for your website. Let's start with the credit pushes. For this, you need to log in into the same account to which you have registered the program. Then go here, or you can check this link. Now, I recommend to read the answers for frequently asked questions concerning the credits. Especially pay attention to such questions as what can I buy? You can buy not just objects but full template, template and object, and graphic template, template without object. In previous video tutorials we buy full template and see how we can use it. Also, this question is very important. Do credits have an experience data? Read it and then move to pushers page. I have two licenses for the program, Evolution and Professional. If I buy some object or template, then I can use it in all of my programs. First, you need to choose and buy the desired package of points. Please note that currency depends on your country. Here you can choose Prefer Payment Method. You can select Other Method. Fill these fields, especially this one. On this email you will receive a letter with a special code. So, enter name, email, and continue. Check this information. And now you need to pay for these credits. After your payment, you will receive a special email with a code. Go in My Credits. Here you can see special field, enter code that you have received and activate it. Now your credits have been activated and you can buy what you want. Let's buy a separator object. You can buy it here or from the program. Let's see how to buy it from the site. Here is separator. Let's push it. Now let's go to the program. Here is our objects. Here is our separator. If you see this picture, then you need to restart the program. After you close and reopen the program, let's go back. Here we can see ready to install and we can install it. Now we can use it. Let's see this page in built-in browser. We have two text objects, one under another. Let's insert separator. You can create rows. I already done it. We can see our separator. Here is some styles. Here is our separator. Here it is on mobile. We can insert our image or use something from this gallery. We can use our own text here. Or just use empty space. Let's leave this type. And move to the next object. This is a paid separator, but we have free object calls simple separator. Let's see, this is new page. It's the same. We have two text objects. We can insert free object separator, but we can see this is no styles, just one option. We cannot insert any images or text here, just space. We have some interesting object called DonorBox. It's free. Using this object you can collect donations on your website. On website X5 developers site there is an instruction regarding the settings of this object. First of all, you need to register here. I already have an account. And now let's create the campaign. For example, let's call it like this. Enter some description. Choose language or leave it auto detect. Here you can change currency. You can use multiply currency. Let's set goal, for example, like this. Here we can change some settings. We can insert thank you message. Here you can change the email that will receive your donors. Here are a lot of settings. You need to read them and decide enable them or not. We won't activate any options. We won't track anything, but you can insert Google track code. Here we can change show or not to show social media buttons. And now let's create some styles. We can upload logo or background, change form color, we can see it here. We can add custom CSS style, but I won't do that, so I leave it like this. Now save and preview. To use it in real life, you need Strip Merchant account. I won't register now. Here we can see our campaign and we can embed our form. If you want to receive money from the form, you need to do this and register Strip Merchant account. Now just copy and let's go back to our program. Here it is. Let's place it here and embed our code. Let's see what we've got. Here is our donation form. Now people can make some donation for your purpose. In the following video tutorials we will look at other additional objects and useful settings.